So anybody wants to know what my COVID day looks like? Looking out the bay shop doors down at my different targets at different ranges, all the way down to 100 yards. Here I am. Anyways, having fun, plinking. Hopefully I can put the step on slow motion and watch the entry and exit wounds. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm loving it. Let's see here. Probably should have been set up for this first. Come on, motherfucker. First off, let's zoom in. There we go. Now, zoom in. Yeah, that's zooming in. Oh, come on, you bastard. That's as close as you get? Oh, well, out there at 30 yards, there's some spinning targets on top of a keg. Then I got some metal roofing targets, and then I got some more metal roofing targets, and then I got a bell and a aluminum pot out there at 100 yards. So let's go with the keg first. At 30 yards off to your right, and I'm going to shoot the keg, so bingo. And it knocked the phone down. But say love you. Okay, zoom back in. I'm going to be shooting at the spinning targets on top of the keg now. Shooting a 22 Gamo Whisper. Next week I'll have night vision for the coyotes that are out here. Oh, I got that one. Once again, knocking my stuff up. Okay, so now I'm shooting for out here at, I'm going to go all the way, what the hell, 200 yards at the pot. Low. I don't have a rangefinder on this piece of crap 4-powered scope, but I got one in the mail, a 3x9 coming, and it's got reticle rangefinder on it. There, I got it. Alright, I'm going to come back to 75 yards and then shoot at my target. Oh, that sounded like a dry fire. And it was. This next one won't be though. Nailed it. Now, up above that pot out there, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a bell up in the tree. It's, see if I can, no, my finger's way too big. Right in the middle of that, there's the target, it's up in the blim hanging there, right to the top of the prong of my open end wrench right now. There you go. See if I can hit that. If I can do that, I'm doing pretty good. Way high. How many shots I got left? Just a couple. Nailed it. God damn. I like to see that. That makes me happy. Alright, coming all the way back in now to 30 yards for the little spinning target on top of the keg. I hit the target behind it. Well, that's it. I think that was 7 out of 10 with one misfire. I don't know, something like that. Anyways, next week it'll be at night and we'll be shooting at coyotes.